everyone and welcome to the Triple T Trader channel, and my name is Tatenda. So today I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy that anybody can master, even if it's a beginner or it's your first time at this platform. Trust me, it's very easy. It works out for me all the time, and I'm pretty sure it will work out for you just as well. So about this strategy, it's called trading based on levels, or in other words, trading with the support and resistance levels. Let's get to it. Everything is quite basic, really. Two lines are drawn on the graph along the extreme part of the graph, one of the line above and the other one below. Okay, this is on several parts of several edges where the price seems to touch the line but does not break through, and the line at the same time continues further here, as you can see, as if it's showing a trend of some sort. The idea is that the price will not go beyond these lines, okay, which means that we are approximately able to predict its movement in the near future. Here on the graph, our lines will converge at some point. This figure is called a tapering triangle, but at the same time the price will start rising because at the moment it's hitting the bottom line, as you can see here. Okay, now let me show you all this in practice. I trade on the proven IQ options platform. By the way, there is a $10,000 demo account here, and you can test out your strength and practice before investing the real money. I will leave a link to the platform in the description. Well, I'll start with $100. Let's get with it. So we need a very simple graph tool, a line. Well, that's what it's called actually. Yeah, it's a line. Well, first we draw a lower line along these extreme parts like this, and then we also draw another one on the top one. There we go. To begin with, we'll test to the $100, okay, for a minute, because here it is clear that the price has already touched the lower level, as you can see, which is the support line, but has not broken through it, which means that it has to go up. Well, and over here it's still hesitating. Let's throw in another 100, shall we? Oh, and great, already plus $174. I think we should also draw another line here because we have another trend here. Let's try to zoom out so that we can see what happens. We follow the extreme parts again. So yeah, it turned out pretty straight actually, but I think the price will fluctuate plus or minus within these limits. But for now, it's lower, of course, as you can see, right? But at this point, I still believe it will grow. So let's increase the stake to $500, shall we? So in general, the price broke through the line, plus the trend is still growing. So let's add and see what happens next. Whoa, there's a profit. So let's increase the bid to $1,000. And yes, the trend will continue. We are still going up, and at least until it reaches this line right here. And well, over here you can see how the price has grown. It broke through the line and the profit is at $870. That's wonderful. So the price has broken through the resistance line, but it should bounce back, right? So let's chill for a bit and wait. Let's not go any further. Let's just chill for a bit. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, it bounced back really well. It almost came back. How about if we raise the stakes? Let's go to $5,000. Now, where we will go with the price, it has to continue growing. I hope it continues growing. Please. Let's go with this. I mean, we just bounced back from the support line, right? So right now the trend is going to continue the same way, but for now we're going to stay at this point. We're going to maintain. We're still at the same place, but of course the general trend of growth will continue. I'm pretty sure of this. I think let's put in on this, right? And it's asking for a refill, but maybe not now. Okay, Okay, so that's how much we've gone up. Literally just 5 seconds left on the clock. I had thought I would continue at the same place, but oh well. Here are the results. I think we'll stop here for today. We have earned a lot of money, guys, and what most importantly, the tactics are very clear for you guys and straightforward, right? Well, we earned more than $6,000 in just a couple of transactions. We only spent about how many? 5 to 7 minutes. Could you imagine? And most importantly, you saw for yourself everything, the tactics, and they are very straightforward and very simple and quite understandable. But remember, guys, remember this, okay? Even though I put in 5,000, which is like half of my deposit, trust me, it's not worth it unless you guys have a reserve of money, all right? Remember that. And of course, guys, many professional traders use several other tools besides the support and resistance levels. But for a start, this should be enough, don't you think? Well, and if you want more, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will bring you the very, very, very best of strategies. Trust me. And guys, if you have any questions or comments or any suggestions, please don't forget to write them in our comment section. This has been Tatenda. See you next time.